Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tomatoes. First, choose ripe, firm tomatoes, ideally from your garden or a local market, for optimal flavor. Next, gather all your canning equipment, such as clean jars, new lids, and a water bath canner. Ensure everything is sterilized properly to prevent spoilage and ensure food safety. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful canning process. After selecting your tomatoes, wash them thoroughly. Core each tomato and make a small X incision on the bottom. Blanch them in boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This process makes peeling the skins much easier. Once peeled, remove the seeds and chop your tomatoes to your preferred size for canning. Now it's time to fill your sterilized jars. Pack the chopped tomatoes tightly, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. For safety, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid to each quart jar. This ensures proper acidity. Remove any air bubbles, wipe the jar rims clean, and then secure the lids and bands finger-tight before processing. Place your filled and sealed jars into the boiling water bath canner, ensuring they are fully submerged. Process them for the recommended time, which varies based on altitude and tomato type. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Check that all lids have sealed properly. For more great deals and to find the link for the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.